if you don't show me a thumb if you really don't show me a thumb if you really don't. Hey now, better make a decision. You better make a decision. Be a moron and keep your position. You better keep your position. You gotta know now all your education. You better know education. Know how you gonna wind up working in the gas station. 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 Go to the gas station now. Go to the gas station now. Oh, station. Wind up working in the gas station. Go to the gas station now. Go to the gas station now. Oh, the gas station. Wind up working in the gas station. The gas was 2005. The gas was 2005. The gas was 2005. The gas was 2005. Wind up working in the gas station. 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 Wind up working in the gas station.
See, I have this list of names here because that's not Dave Paracco, it's Brandon Paracco. I'm no good at remembering names. It's not something I'm good at. So we're gonna do something. We used it as a sound check. I don't think you guys were here for the sound check, right? No? Good.
on the guitar solo.
That's what I'm supposed to say. Pretty good musician. So some of you know that I played for 8 years with Project Object. I played here in 07, 09, 11. I was here. And so Glenn Leonard, who was my drummer, or our drummer for Project Object for many, many years, passed on last year. I don't know if you know this. He played here last year with Pajama People. Anybody say yeah? So in honor of him and to celebrate his life, I brought with me his puffin. This is Glenn Leonard's puffin.
Splendid.
And Tigger, which these are Glenn Leonard's. His wife sent them to me. So. And I did this. Pajama People, Glenn liked to rewrite the words to all the songs. So we're doing this song in honor of Glenn Leonard. It was originally called Tell Me You Love Me, and then Frank rewrote it and it was Why Don't You Like Me? Yeah, Why Don't You Like Me, which is about Michael Jackson. So we're doing Why Don't You Love Me about Woody Allen.
To pedagoge. Ein bisschen Penis
He's Jewish, Jim. Why don't you love him? Why don't you love him? Why don't you love me? Am I really a pervert? I think you're a jerk. And I'm divorcing you. Make me a Reuben. Back to Manhattan. Play it again, Sam. Oi. Still Jewish, Jim. I love my daughter. I love my son. I hate my mother. She was a Hebrew. I thought she looked good. What happened to her? Please watch my movie. Another Oscar. Don't know the question. Sex is the answer. Sex is the most fun. You remember that last thing? My movies are rated. My nose is inflated. And it sounds smart to you. And he thinks he sounds smart to you. Give me therapy. Give me therapy. Give me therapy.
Thank you, Glenn Leonard, wherever you are. We got time for a couple more. It's okay, because